GIS lovers, welcome to the world of Smart GIS. Do you want to learn advanced GIS technology to do your GIS tasks smartly, easily by using some advanced tool of a smart GIS interface? Then this course is for you, because in this course we are going to learn SuperMap iDesktop 10i for Smart GIS, in where we can do our many advanced and difficult GIS tasks very easily, smartly by one click. If you want to learn all of this, then enroll in this course, because in this course we are going to learn how to get SuperMap iDesktop 10i software free for 90 days, how to install this and the user interface of SuperMap iDesktop 10i, AI mapping or artificial intelligence mapping for advanced symbology, how to add different types of layer in SuperMap interface including shapefile, raster file, KML, even also Excel file. We will learn also how to create a map by using Excel file, how to create new shapefile, how to add field inside attribute table, how to add projection system in new shapefile, and so on. We will learn also how to georeference an image map very easily by using SuperMap Smart Interface. And we will learn map digitizing and also shapefile editing with advanced tools of SuperMap. We will learn layer styling, advanced labeling to create dynamic label in our map. And not only that, in this course, we are going to do some advanced analysis by doing some practical case studies including population-based research, calculate field with expression, geometric analysis, append from Excel to shapefile, and raster mosaic also. We will do some analysis also inside attribute table. Yes, if you want to learn all of this to enjoy GIS in the field of SuperMap iDesktop 10i, then enroll in this course. Till then, enjoy GIS.